guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mikhail Genesis for those of you who are new, and yes, it is another braiding tutorial. My last braiding tutorial, also, yes, my hands are purple. I re-dyed my hair. But my last braiding tutorial got kind of fucked up with copyright music and I'm not happy with it. My hair has grown out a lot. I haven't bleached it in probably maybe 9 months or something. The roots are really showing. It looks very dark right now, but it's purple and I re-dyed the roots-ish, kind of like a darker blue. So yeah, I've got a few different colors. You guys will see shortly what I've got. I've got a few different colors: purple, blue, black. I've got a little bit of green and a little bit of red and pink and some brownish, blondish color. I'm just gonna toss it all in my head and see what the fuck happens. So this is my third time braiding my hair, doing box braids on myself. I am not a professional. I know some of y'all hoes be coming for my ass. I don't really care if it's not totally straight. That doesn't bother me. It's not like I'm looking at my head. I don't care. Yeah, I've been getting stupid comments like that. But anyways, also side note is ain't no motherfucking cultural appropriation. I am half black. Okay? Okay? Yes, I'm very light skinned. I'm very light skinned. I know. My mom is white. My father is black. So before y'all try to come for me, know your shit. Okay? Ooh. Also, I was sent this hair by X Trends Hair. I'm gonna leave their Instagram and their website in the description bar, so make sure you guys check them out. They were kind enough to send me this hair. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. And give them a follow and a like and tell them I sent ya. If you would like to partake on this journey with me, then please keep watching. So this is my hair finished. Lord, I am so happy with it. I'm really happy with the color combo and the way that it turned out. And bitch, I did like parting and shit, and I tried my best. I know it's not totally straight, but for my third time doing box braids, it's not bad. And like, I don't know, can y'all see? Can y'all see? I don't know if you guys can really see that, but yeah, I really like the way that these braids turned out. I'm going to be posting like pictures and stuff on my Instagram, so if you guys want to check that out, you can make sure to follow me there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and found my technique helpful and useful to you. I found it's like the easiest way to install box braids. Doing box braids on yourself, especially as a beginner, it is super hard, and I don't know how some people be doing those like techniques. But this was the way that I found was easiest as a beginner. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!